Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite, an ancient high priest. I'm here to teach you simple thing you need to know about water. All the with them when people are saying that now, near matter that they will not be able to practice Igbo spirituality because they don't have money, and they will laugh. Money has nothing to do with practicing through Igbo spirituality. It's because you don't understand how things work and understand the simple things that really count. And we're simple rituals, even Ginwa, I generate an alpha, Mobinese Lugosi, Mobonam law, no Jobana. Nana Naginka, Mobana Naginka, Madijiro the money. We're simple things again. The Guinea Megodoji. Kebe is the open or the very powerful. You must have time. You must not be lazy. You must have time for your spiritual exercise. You must have time for prayers. You must have time for decoration. Today I'm here to teach you simple rituals you can do with water. A lot of people underrate water, but I can tell you that 70% of blood in our body is water. Water is part of life. In fact, water is life. And when you understand the power of water, you know that water is even enough for you to use it to do rituals. You can do water rituals in many ways. You can even pour libation to water. It's not a must that you must use hot. Even when we are laying foundation, we use water. Once water connects, it remains permanent because water is nature and nature is permanent. People normally go to blood sacrifice because blood sacrifice has life, so it connects faster. Flowing by people use hot because it evaporates. It connects fast because hot, good hots, I mean real native hots, once it light up on it, it will catch fire. It evaporates faster than water. So it connects too. They connect faster than water. Water is slow in connecting, but once it connects for life. That is what you don't know about water. I'm here to teach you just a tip of what you can use water for. What you are seeing now is life. Water is used very powerful for cleansing. Water is life. If you open that you use water to wash them off. That's the power of water. Now you can use this water to make decoration on your lives. Aside the libation, or sometimes we use it to bless the foundations. See, the Catholics, they bless water. They use holy water. They use water in so many things, many rituals. Even Monday, Thursday, they use water to wash people's feet. See, other presbyters, churches, they use water. Because you don't know the power in water. Water energizes. Water is life. So let me tell you simple ritual you can be doing with water. You connect with water, I can tell you. Some people will always say, why is it that in the air they won't be a carrier? Because she marrow name with the from our creation, conception, water is involved. Do you know that every body on earth has link with water? And as 1 million, should be more connected to water than others. But everybody have link with water. Take it from me. The truth you can go back with. This is water. Aside the oil libation, it's water. Once you take water to drink, speak to water positively. You don't keep water, you don't keep water close by and be talking ill of another person, talking trash, talking negativities. Water attracts, absorb them. That's why people that understand don't say any ill thing beside water, because water attracts all of them. Yes. So when there's you have water around you, don't speak ill of anything beside water, because water absorbs it. So I will teach you one this simple ritual. If you start to do it today, in 3 to 6 months time, you will thank me. Do you know that with this water, you can use this water to heal yourself? Once you get water, you will drink. Speak positivity to the water. Tell water that water, you acknowledge the fact that the water is life. As you are taking this water, let this water refresh your life, so that you have life and have it in abundance. Speak to the water. Make declaration that as water, wash off any iniquities, cleanse anything that is abnormal, and return everything to the sparkling nature. Speak to the water and tell the water that you are drinking it. Let the water cleanse you off, both inwardly and outwardly. Let you be healed. Let any negativity around you, let all of them be wiped out. Speak to water. Water attracts. But make sure that whatever declaration you make before the water is positive ones. Speak the way you want it to happen. I don't want this video to be long, but speak to the water after speaking. This water here has positive vibrations that is connected with the water. They are listening. After that, drink the water and make sure it does not say any negative thing anytime your water is close by. Start these rituals. These are ancient rituals. They have saved many, and they will save you if you believe. As I speak to this water, let this water purifies. For those of you that believe, once you do these rituals, may you be favored, may you receive blessings by doing this simple act. As I make this declaration, so shall it be.